Meaning of fabricate.
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 Fabricate. The word fabricate means to create or manufacture something, often with the intention of deceiving or misleading others. When someone fabricates something, they are making it up or constructing it from scratch, sometimes using false information or materials. The result of fabricating can vary widely depending on the context, but it generally involves the production of a physical object, a story, or an explanation that is not entirely truthful or accurate. In some cases, the act of fabrication can have serious consequences, such as damaging reputations, causing harm to individuals or organizations, or even breaking the law.